iOS 26. Turn AutoMIX on or off in Apple Music. Full how-to. How to turn AutoMIX on or off. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Settings depending on your iOS build. Step 3. Choose Music from the list. Step 4. Tap Song Transitions. Step 5. You'll now see 3 options. AutoMIX. Enable this for seamless transitions. Crossfade. Use the classic fading effect. Off. Disable transitions completely. Step 6. Tap the preferred setting. Select AutoMIX to turn it on or off to disable it. Quick access from Apple Music app. You can also control transitions directly from a playlist or station view. Step 1. Play your playlist or station. Step 2. In the upper right corner, look for a mixing or transition icon. Step 3. Tap it to cycle between AutoMIX crossfade and off modes.